Hi everyone, Dave here, and I've got a LOM video for you because today we're going to talk about this, the VIROTEE UFO scoring LOM. If you want to find out if this scoring LOM is going to be worth your hard-earned $13.99, stay tuned, we're putting this one to the test. Is it LOM or lame? Okay, for scoring LOM reviews, we're going to take a look at the following categories: design, safety, ease of use, cutting quality, and baking results. That'll give us a well-rounded point of view for evaluating the scoring LOM. Also, I have a competition series of scoring LOM videos coming soon that will make it easy to decide which one is right for you. I've gone ahead and done the legwork in figuring that out, so you don't have to. Alright, let's start with the design. The VIROTEE, or UFO LOM, has a more unique design for scoring LOMs in that it kinda looks like a flying saucer. This one is round and does not have an arm at all. The razor blade fits inside the two wood saucer surfaces that screw open and closed, which makes replacing the blade kinda easy. The design also keeps the blade flat for cutting, which is totally fine unless you have to have a curved blade edge for cutting. This LOM also comes with a handy protective case to cover both the LOM and the blade, so the sharp side of the VIROTEE LOM is not left exposed when not in use. Let's look at safety next. The VIROTEE UFO LOM also takes safety into consideration. It comes with a protective case for the razor blade and the whole LOM itself so that nothing sharp is left exposed when not in use. The LOM's circular design also makes it easy to keep a small grip on the LOM. If you prefer to use a guide finger like I do, just be careful you can't rest your finger on the back side of the razor blade. It's sharp. But with this design, you don't really need to worry about any of that, since this is a really small circular LOM design anyway, and your grip is just different. The VIROTEE UFO LOM also makes it relatively easy to get the razor blades on and off with a simple twist of the two wooden covers in opposite directions, and then popping the blade off and back on. Put the wooden cover back on and twist closed to secure the blade. Makes it easy to avoid cutting yourself just by swapping a blade. Take a look here as I demonstrate the ease of use. Blade replacement aside, it's relatively easy to hold and cut with this design. It's not as awkward as other designs, and it feels easier to identify which directions to cut in just by holding it. In fact, it felt completely natural to know exactly how to position the dough and go for a quick cut almost right away once I picked up the LOM and for the first time. And when I did start using it, my theory on the ease of use proved true, and it was a breeze. Let me just show you the blade replacement really quick. This is literally all it takes. As you can see, scoring cuts are quick and easy to make. In fact, if you need practice and your technique is not all that refined, this LOM will help you do a better cut and get better much faster than the other scoring LOMs. Let's take a second look with some slow-mo action for good measure. Quick and easy. This is great for beginners. Before we wrap this up, please hit the like button. That lets me know that you like my content. Also, leave a comment down below with your opinion on the VIROTEE UFO LOM. And if you'd like to buy one, I put a link down below in the description. Okay, let's see the results. As you can see, the VIROTEE UFO LOM produced a good clean cut that opened wide as expected. Both loaves developed an ear, and overall, a great result. To help you decide if this LOM is right for you, let's see how this product performs in my completely arbitrary rating system. Each category can earn a half loaf or a full loaf of approval. Alright, design, full loaf, safety, full loaf, ease of use, full loaf, cutting quality, full loaf, and scoring results, full loaf. This LOM really has a good and unique design that helps with ease of use and safety. Even though it only has a flat blade, the cutting quality and results consistently turned out well. This is one of my favorite LOMs to use for scoring. That about does it for this one. Check out my other videos for more of my practical baking tips. Take care.